10-gallon pot here. Time for the potato reveal. Let's do it. Oh geez. I wanted to wait till this dried out, but I can't wait any longer. Oh, I see a potato. Oh yeah. Oh. Sorry I'm making that noise, but I'm getting excited. Okay. All right. Let's see if you can see this. I gotta... Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at that. Oh, this is awesome. Let's see here. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at that. Well, it turned out pretty good. I had put less, I had cut up a couple of seed potatoes, chitted them, but I think I only put in maybe 4 pieces or 5 small pieces into that 10-gallon pot, because last year I didn't get very many and I thought maybe I put too many potatoes in, but this is a nice potato right here. So I got, 4 that are pretty good size, 4 that are okay, and then pretty many little ones there. So, I mean, it'll be a couple good meals. Happy with that. And then, look at this squash. This squash coming is pretty good size. It's at least over a foot. And I got another one there. One there. I accidentally trimmed one of my plants and cut off the squash, so that wasn't good. Now I have more potatoes here that are dying off. I'm tempted to dig them up right now, but I think I'll wait because they're not they didn't die all the way back yet. They're probably fine. But here's my red peppers. This little red pepper plant is loaded with peppers. I don't know if they're gonna have time to turn red. Oh, and my peas right here are starting to come in. This is my second crop, flowering, looking healthy. I transplanted my strawberries out of my pot into the ground now to overwinter. My tomato plant was windy the other day, and the big top busted right off. Well, it's 38 degrees out this morning, and I survived the frost, but the wind yesterday was wicked, and my tomato plant was broken. So now I'm going to have to pick all my tomatoes off, and they should ripen fine, hopefully inside. But yeah, they weren't ripening. They've been staying green, but I still had some buds and everything. So it was a nice tomato plant while it lasted. But my sunflowers in my garden didn't freeze. Here's a look at my pumpkins. They're small, but I got something, so that's good. Still time to grow. I thought we were going to have freezing temps, or we did have just about frost 3 times now. But my garden survived all 3 nights, thank goodness. I'll show you that mutant, what it's doing. A few little petals came out of the middle. I don't think it's going to do much because most of the sunflower's done. All right, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. It's free. It helps me out. I appreciate it. Have a great day.